What's up mga ka-savers? Nandito pala kayo. And this is Boracay. Yun mga ka-savers. And abangan nyo ang mga tips ko dito while in Boracay making gala-gala. So watch the video. Welcome to Henan Lagoon mga ka-savers, the place that we're going to be staying while we enjoy the beach vibe of Boracay. Room check mga ka-savers. We have a very cool and sophisticated bathroom. We also have comfy beds and couch. Classic wood design of walls and sliding doors. And most importantly, we have a dazzling view from where our room is. Wow! Look at that! But before making gala-gala mga ka-savers, magpapatulong muna tayo ng baby. Kasi the financial educator, Papa Jack, is not only a certified financial educator, but also a certified Yaya Bells. Like I want it, and you know we gon' lay it down. We can go slow, go slow, go slow, slow motion. And now, tipid tips mga ka-savers. Kung nagdi-date kayo sa isang restaurant sa Boracay ng palalabs mo, pwede namang isang order na lang kayo at hatiin nyo na lang para makatipid. Overpriced po kasi yung mga foods dito eh. So, dapat maging budget-wise tayo. Shout out to the man behind me. The man, the myth, the legend, the most accomplished man on earth. What's up, bro? Are you enjoying Boracay? Next is, punta tayo sa happy hour, mga ka-savers. If gusto nyo mag-enjoy ng mga alcoholic drinks like cocktails, or mixed drinks, or ladies drinks, tara! This is the right place for you because it is budget friendly kasi buy one, take one. For only 180 pesos, may drinks na kayo, i-partner mo. Plus, a dazzling beachfront view pa. Alright! Tipid tips again mga ka-savers. We've prepared homemade sandwiches and brought chocolates before pumunta ng Boracay to avoid na buying of expensive foods while having snacks. Suabe! Another way para ma-lessen yung mga gastusin natin while staying on vacation is to have as much as you can na kumain ng breakfast na complimentary ng hotel, which in our case was the Henan Lagoon Resort. Yan. Preferably,
Gawin mo ng brunch. Eat as many food as you like. Kasi napakasarap ng breakfast buffet, especially dito sa Henan. Henan! Ahem! Became a man! And then, you skip lunch, mga ka-savers. And sa dinner na lang kayo ulit kumain. Para yan na lang yung gagastusin nyo sa meals. Grab the free complimentary breakfast of your hotel. And another big tips, mga ka-savers. If naghahanap kayo ng isang convenience store, ay aba syempre, pumunta kayo sa Budget Mart. Nothing else, nothing more. Budget Mart.
Welcome back once again, mga ka-savers, dito sa Boracay. And tipid tips, pag malapit lang yung lakad nyo,
Maglakad lang kayo kasi mahal yung pamasahe. Nasa 100 pesos pataas.
Tara, exercise!
Ayan mga ka-savers. And now, malapit nang matapos yung video natin. And I want you to enjoy the view of Boracay. So guys, just sit back and watch. This is it, mga ka-savers. I hope na may na-learn po kayo at at the same time nag-enjoy sa vlog natin. See you soon, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching and God bless to all.